Maximize capital, minimize crap is the mantra that guides me daily. If you want to attain financial freedom, then you must build a growing pool of capital that can be used for investment and production, and you must minimize the acquisition of useless junk. Whenever you are making a financial decision, just remember the mantra, maximize capital, minimize crap. It will guide you well. The first step to maximizing capital and minimizing crap is to become money conscious. You have to recognize that nearly everything you do has a financial impact. Realize that all decisions come with opportunity costs attached. Opportunity costs are what you forego by making a particular decision, and they are not always financial. When making decisions, be sure to think about both the seen and the unseen consequences. What is seen are the results of the decision. What is unseen are the opportunity costs that will not come to pass because of your decision. Taking this holistic perspective will improve decision-making immensely. Know that financial freedom will only come to those who are able to forego instant gratification and think long-term. Most people understand this intuitively, yet it is very difficult to put this into practice. I still struggled with long-term thinking even after I began to maximize capital and minimize crap, but I didn't realize it. At the time, I thought that I was thinking long-term because I was monitoring my spending like a hawk, but I was also only thinking 1 or 2 years out at a time. Thus, my decisions were only made with intermediate consequences taken into consideration. I actually made a couple big mistakes with this intermediate thinking, which ultimately cost me quite a bit. With that in mind, it's extremely important to become frugal and eliminate wasteful spending as part of your long-term plan. There's no need to become cheap, however. You can still enjoy your hobbies, just moderate your spending on entertainment. For example, you don't have to cut your significant other off. You can still take him or her out to dinner frequently. Just make it a special weekly occasion rather than a fixture 2 or 3 days per week. Another part of becoming money conscious is to realize that you have personal financial statements, just like a business. If you can begin to visualize how your actions affect your financial statements, you will be well on your way to attaining financial freedom. Your financial statements are your income statement and your balance sheet, which we will analyze in the next 2 slides. Once you can visualize how each decision you make affects your financial statements, then you are well on your way to attaining financial freedom. I highly recommend creating spreadsheets to track your financial statements, and I would update these spreadsheets at least once per month starting out. Okay, so that's it for our brief discussion on becoming money conscious. We will take a look at the income statement and balance sheet in the next lecture.